Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send the feedback in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner and press on the three lines there. Now press on help and feedback, and after that just press on send feedback. And you can just select the application where you want to do this, like Gmail for example, and you can just simply enter your message here down below. And once you're done with it, look in the top of your right corner, press on that arrow symbol there, and you will be able to send that feedback to them. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.